Ever wonder what it takes to turn a few dollars into a fortune? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the world of stock market investing. It all starts with a spark, a desire to take control of your financial future and build wealth like never before. But let me tell you, it's not just about luck. It's about strategy, research, and making smart decisions. Sure, there are ups and downs along the way. But with dedication and the right mindset, you can turn those setbacks into stepping stones to success. So, are you ready to join me on this journey? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the stock market and start building your own wealth? The time is now. The opportunity is here. So let's dive in and make some serious money in the stock market. Remember, the path to riches begins with a single step. So, let's take that step together and embark on this incredible adventure.